Video we're going to talk about a program of object-oriented programming. Object-oriented concept that will clear your concepts of object and classes, and hope you have watched the previous video in which I just explained what is object and what is classes, how the functions has been accessed. And let's just make a simple program and show you. And simple program says that records of students, records of student. Okay, let's begin with a class name. Class, let's just call it record. Just enter it, and we gotta just make two variables, declare two variables, int roll exactly, and we gotta name string name. Cool. And now we come to the public void main, public static void main string args brackets over there. Yeah, so we are here. So it's public static void main. We are in the main function right now, and what we are making, I told you how to make an object, so you tell me how we are making an object of class record. We first write the name record, object name, let's say is it s1, is equals to, we use the keyword new, and record constructor call. We gotta make an object s1 new record, and just focus that I told you what instance variable is. It's an instance variable. Keep on reminding you the concept so you'll not forget. So it's instance variable because it's declaring the class outside the main method. Okay, outside the method. So we're just calling out a function, just test it. System program, simple program, sim.out println, and what we are printing is roll is equals to plus s1 dot roll. Now this is something that you should pay attention to, and just copying the statement and paste it over here. Small changes is name and s1 dot name. Yep. So just closing it and closing the class. We gotta save this and save this with the name record dot java in the desktop part. Yep. Let's run it in the cmd cd desktop. Apologies, cd desktop, and now we'll just write the program name java c record dot java. Okay, we got an error in line 7, cannot find the symbol string. Okay, string should be capital, and let's just get rid of this and save this, and we should run it again. Yeah, it's compiled now, and let's just run it. Java record done. So roll number is equals to 0, name is equals to null. That's absolutely logical because we have not saved anything in roll number and not in string also. So in this video you might get an idea how the object works. This is a class, and s1 is an object of this class. The syntax is this. It's very easy, and we got quite a few ways to declare a object of a class, but now this is the simplest one, and we just call up the objects, call up the data members of this class by using the objects s1 dot s1 dot name. So hope you like it. just give it a try in your home at the notepad or whatever app you're using. Just give it a try, and goodbye.